welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be making peach crumble and I thought I'd bring you along with me. So what you will need is, for a very small one fitting a bowl about that size, is a can of peaches drained, 25 grams of butter or thereabouts, unsalted is best, a quarter cup of caster sugar and half a cup of plain flour. So what I'm going to do, you might hear a rumble in the background, that's just the oven. I've heated it to 180 and then I'm going to put in the flour. So I'm just going to make this into breadcrumbs. I may speed this bit try that again. I may speed this along. Right, there. So I'm just going to add the sugar. You can use normal granulated sugar. You can use brown sugar, doesn't really matter. I wouldn't recommend icing sugar, or if you're from the US, that's powdered sugar. Right, now that's mixed, I'm going to just pop over there and wash my hands. Now I'm going to take this bowl and add the drained peaches. You don't have to do this, but I normally add a little bit of sugar on top of those. Doesn't matter how much, just use your own discretion. I think that's a word I need. Right, so I'm going to place the crumble on top. And I'm going to flat it down. Don't be too rough with it, be nice and light. Just so it covers it. Try and get it as even around each side as possible. Now I normally just put a little bit of sugar on top. Like that. And now I'm going to pop it into the oven for about 20 minutes and I'll be back with you when it's finished to show you. See you in a bit, guys. Hi guys. This took half an hour in the end, but it's done. As you can see, some of the fruit is licked up to the top, but that really doesn't matter. It does not affect it at all. So I'm just going to have a little bit. It's still really hot. Serve this with custard, which is what I'm going to do. Not right now, but that's normally what I would do. You can serve it with cream or yogurt, whatever you would like. Try not to drop that. And as you can see, I'm going to give it a test. That is really good. You can use any kind of fruit. You don't have to just use peaches. So that's the crumble. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. And please consider subscribing to my channel. That really helps me out. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you again very soon. Bye, everyone.